welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to configure proxy settings and set up a VPN on Windows 11 using only built-in options. It is perfect for your privacy, work from home access or restricted networks. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to open settings, then we are going to network and internet. Then firstly we are configure proxy settings. We are click proxy. Here you will turn it on, automatically detect settings, or if your network user script configuration, turn on use setup script, then turn it on. Here you will enter script address. Next is manual proxy setup. So for manual setup you can click on setup, then turn it on. Here you will type proxy IP address, port and user proxy server address, then save the proxy server. Next is add a VPN. Again back to network and internet. Here you will see VPN. Click on VPN connections. Click on add VPN. Select Windows built-in connection name. Type any connection name, anything you like, then server name or address from your VPN or workplace. VPN type, usually select VPN type to automatic, it is best. Then sign in info, username and password. Type your username, then scroll down the page, password, then save. Step 5, connect to a VPN. Then there you will see connection list. Click on the VPN. Next is advanced settings. Allow VPN over meter networks, turn it on, and allow VPN while roaming, turn it on. If you travel, this will help. The next, here you will see remove or edit proxy VPN, turn turn proxy off to remove VPN. And that's it, how you configure proxy and VPN settings in Windows 11. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and tell me what window tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.